Welcome to ETT, Everyday Tech Things. I'm Shango, a creative from Jamaica, and on this channel, I talk about technology, from low-tech to high-tech. Today, I'm talking about the GOVEE Wi-Fi RGB LED light. So what the GOVEE Wi-Fi RGB LED light is that light that you can see around my TV. So it's a light that you can control with most of the voice control, Google Assistants, Amazon Dash, Echo. I don't want to say her name because if you have one in your home, it will possibly set it off. And also Siri. So let's unbox it. So this is the GOVEE Wi-Fi RGB LED light. Let's get into the box. So what comes in the box is the light itself. After all, it's a LED light. So you have light 1 and light 2. These lights are 16 feet and they put 2 in the box, so you get 32 feet. Now, as usual, paperwork, stickers, booklets, alcohol pad for cleaning the surface before you put it on, clips for putting on the light, the control brick, the power brick, and the remote. Now, I am not so much of a fan of these type of power brick where the power brick is a big brick that is connected to the plug, because these bricks are hard to work with, especially if you're using like a strip for your plug-in source. It doesn't work well with other plugs. You know what I mean? So it almost take up 2 to 3 plug when you're trying to use such a switch. When you're trying to use such a brick. So now let's look at the remote. Remote, very simple remote to control the light. You know, you have the basic stuff on the remote: on, off, menu, music. The power brick. Let's take a closer look at the control brick. So you know, you have the button to turn it on, turn it off. You have the button for music if you want it to be controlled by the music in the environment. It has 2 areas to plug in the lights, but you know what a LED light is, or a LED light strip. This is the same. So let's open it. Very simple light. Let's plug it in. Right now we're plugging it in, but we don't necessarily have no power in it, so the light won't come on. So let's just put some power in the light so we can actually see the light. Alright, now that we have the light plugged in, the light is up and running. We can see the colors, so let's see how the remote works with the light. Pull out the plastic from the remote, which stops the battery from being used while it's being shipped. And now we have control over the light. Press the button on, off, up, down, turn the light brightness up, light brightness down. We can change the mode. Now that you have seen how the remote works, let's plug in all the lights and check out how the app works. To get the app, all you have to do is go to your app store, whether you're using Android or iOS. Go to your app store and just look for the GOVEE Home. And you will find the app. Once you find the app, you install the app. Now you can start process the app. So let's use the app to discover the light. Now that light has been discovered, let's go into the light and start to operate it from the app itself. We're in the light is now on. Now we can control red, orange, yellow, green, blue, light blue, purple, sunrise, sunset, sunset glow, universe. Just using the app, you can now control the light. And as I said, this light is Wi-Fi enabled, so we're controlling the light through Wi-Fi. So if you're interested in purchasing this light or any light similar to it on Amazon, you can always click the link in the description. These links are affiliate links, and if you use the link and buy the light, it doesn't cost you any more, but it gives the channel a commission. So feel free to use the link when you're purchasing items that you're seeing on this channel. Thank you. So let me show you how I've been using automation with the light. So as you can see, the light is behind me in that light box, and I'll be showing you. Computer, turn light box to green. So I'm using Amazon Echo Dot to control the light box. As I say, I don't like to use that name. When I use that name, it might trigger your device if you are using one of these devices in your home. So I can say, computer, turn off light box. Computer, turn on light box. Computer, turn light box to red. So I'm using automation to control the light, and for me this is a fairly good light as it relates to automation controlling the light. I can set up routines and have the light turn on. For instance, I have a routine right now whereas when I come in the room I just say one command and the room lights turn on. So the light box turn on, my room light turn on, and other devices in the room turn on. I'll be making a video about that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. I have so much content planned for you guys, and I can't wait to make this content and share it with you guys. So just feel free to subscribe to the channel. I am Shango, a creative from Jamaica. This is ETT, Everyday Tech Things, Blessings and Guidance. Oh, hold on 1 second. Remember, you can always use the comment box to ask me questions about my automation. You can always use the comment box to leave some feedback. Tell me if you're enjoying the channel. Tell me if you see anything that I can improve. Just give me some feedback. It is important to me that I know that you guys are enjoying the content, and you know what I mean, I'm making the content so that I can learn some stuff and you guys can also learn some stuff. So feel free to give me some feedback in the comments. So thanks again for watching. I'm Shango, a creative from Jamaica. Blessings and guidance.